Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here to do a makeup tutorial for you all. I know that I'm doing it like really quickly. Last video was also a makeup tutorial, but I really wanted to do another makeup tutorial. The makeup tutorial is gonna be nude lips and bold eyes. It's a very dramatic and very fresh look, and you can wear it at night when you go to a cocktail party, or maybe you're going for a wedding. I hope that you're gonna like it, and if you like it, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And last but not the least, all the links of all the products will be mentioned down below in the description box, along with where you can buy those from. Without wasting more time, let's get started. So the first thing is hydration. So for hydration, I'm using the Benefit Hydration Mist. Once the mist is dried up, I'm using the Chia Seed Hydration Creme. After the complete hydration, I'm using the Pore Professional Primer. After the primer, I'm using the ZA Perfect Fit Foundation. This is a water-based foundation and perfect for summers. So once our base is done, we are going to put Maybelline Compact Powder. After the compact, I'm going to contour her face using this contour powder with an angular brush. After the contouring, I'm going to use the Fit Me blush. So after the blush, I'm going to use this Maybelline Color Sensational palette in the color Topaz Gold, and I am going to create a smoky eye effect. eye makeup, I'm going to use this eye pencil to line her waterline. After that, I'm going to use a liner. After the liner, I'm going to fill in her eyebrows using this kit from Wet n Wild. I'm going to use this shade. After the eyebrows, now I'm going to put matte liquid lipstick. This is from Studiowest and you'll get it in Westside, and this is the Nude shade. After the lipstick, the last thing I'm gonna put is I'm gonna set her makeup with this Makeup Revolution Fixing Mist. This is the final look which I've created.